Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to repost something on Instagram so you can easily share posts you love with your friends and followers. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where all your posts, stories, and account activity are managed. Step 2, find the post you want to repost. This can be any post from someone you follow or public content that you want to share. Step 3, tap the paper airplane icon below the post. This is Instagram's built-in sharing feature that allows you to send or repost content safely. Step 4, tap share to your story. This lets you add the post directly to your Instagram story so all your followers can see it. Step 5, tap the arrow or add to your story to share with your audience. This final step publishes the post on your story and tags the original creator automatically. Step 6, select your story and Facebook story if you want to share it on both platforms. This allows your friends on Facebook to see the post as well. Step 7, tap share, and the post will be successfully shared to your story and your audience will be able to view it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy and helpful Instagram tips.